Hi, it's Theo from Spotahome.com. Today I'm just around the corner from Canary Wharf looking at a 3-bedroom flat. It is a penthouse pretty much, so it's a very, very nice place. Just around the corner from the DLR, Canary Wharf, where there's also the Underground. You can get Jubilee line. You're also very close to Poplar, where you get DLR towards Bank and towards Stratford as well. So you're really well located. Let me show you around. Front door was just behind me, and immediately to my right is just a closet, bit of storage space. It's the main hall, and to your right we've got bedroom number 1 there, bedroom number 2 there. This is the bathroom. Got toilet down here, sink, storage space underneath, mirror, and nice size shower unit. Into bedroom number 1. See, it's a good size room. Double bed, massive wardrobe with a massive mirror built in. Another large mirror here. Got desk and chair, lovely large windows looking out. You see Billingsgate Market there. That curved bit, I don't know if you can see, it says Giant Robot Restaurant. That is West India Quay, and then obviously the big dramatic looking buildings are Canary Wharf. This room also has an ensuite. Just through here. So you've got a bath and shower unit just there. Sink and toilet, storage, and a mirror, very similar to the other one. Back out to the hall, and here's bedroom number 2. Another double bed, desk and chair, similar large windows, same view. You get plenty of natural light in here, which is very nice. And again, massive built-in wardrobe with mirrors. Everything's done to a very high standard. It's the same with all this landlord's properties. Next up, we've got the kitchen over here. Good size for 3 people, very clean. Got everything you need in here as well. Fridge, freezer just underneath. An oven, stove, microwave, kettle. And here, dishwasher, sink, and plenty of storage all along as well. And through here finally is bedroom number 3, which is almost a flat unto itself because it is absolutely massive. It is huge. We've got a dining table with 6 chairs, windows all the way along. Then you get onto a balcony just over there, which I'll show you in a minute. Got a sofa, double bed. So you've got wardrobes just around here as well. Chest of drawers. You get so much light in here. And so much space. And out onto the balcony. Got a nice bench just here, relax in the summer. Brilliant view of Canary Wharf, West India Quay. You can see Bank and the City of London. In the background you've got the Gherkin. I I think the one at Liverpool Street's called the Cheese Grater or something strange like that. Yeah, fantastic room, brilliant flat. This has been Theo from Spotahome.com. Check out the listing below for more information, and I'll see you next time. Bye.